Hi, I'm Harry. I'm an equity manager for Orini Down Station. The type of people that we are looking for are progressive and honest, and our values that we want our people to work to are a cooperative spirit, integrity.
I'm from Nepal. I'm the co-farm manager at Orini Down Station. This is my 6th season. I started as a farm assistant, and I've moved up the ladder, did some qualifications with AgIQ. I've enjoyed working at Orini Downs because I've had the opportunity to progress and to learn, do courses in agriculture. And the employees have been really supportive, and so I've become a co-farm manager at the moment, and I'm really happy here.
Hi, I'm Tiari. I work at Orini Downs. Been here for 3 years. I enjoy the work here. There's a lot of challenge here. Staff are all sweet. That's the main thing. Everyone's happy.
What we can offer you is we're a large-scale farm in the Waikato. We have one large unit with 1,800 cows going for it, and another smaller unit of 450. That smaller unit, we look for managers who can progress to being contract milkers, and that's what we've got at the moment. On the larger property, we offer the challenge of being involved in a team environment, and we're close to towns and cities. The types of systems we run is for the large farm, the system 4, and the smaller farm, system 3. We also have winter milk cows, and they're probably more intensive again. So it is a fairly complex system, but the people we have seem to enjoy the challenge, and we try and balance that out with having good time off and good accommodation for them, and the ability to progress within the industry.